Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that might be lingering in the minds of some newer Robinhood users. How exactly do you get your money out of the app and back into your bank account? Now, Robinhood is fantastic for buying and selling stocks, options, and even crypto, but it's not exactly designed to be a substitute for your everyday bank account. So, if you've been on a buying spree and want to see some cold, hard cash, or maybe transfer some profits, then this video is for you. Before we jump into the steps, let's talk about why you might want to transfer money from Robinhood to your bank. Maybe you're looking to take some profits off the table after a successful trade. Perhaps you have a bill coming up and need to access those funds. Or maybe you're just looking to diversify your holdings and want to move some cash to a different investment platform. Whatever the reason, knowing how to make this transfer smoothly is crucial. Alright, enough chit-chat, let's get down to brass tacks. Transferring money from Robinhood to your bank account is actually a pretty straightforward process. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Accessing the transfer feature. First things first, you'll need to open the Robinhood app and log in. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Cash tab. This is where you'll find an overview of your buying power, unsettled funds, and of course, your current cash balance. Step 2. Initiating the transfer. Within the Cash tab, you should see a button labeled Transfer. Tap on that, and you'll be presented with a few different options. The one we're interested in is Transfer to your bank. Step 3. Selecting your destination. Now, Robinhood will ask you which bank account you want to transfer the money to. If you've already linked your bank account to Robinhood for deposits, it should appear as a pre-selected option here. But don't worry if you haven't, you can easily add a new bank account by providing your routing and account numbers. Step 4. Amount and confirmation. Finally, you'll need to enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Remember, this amount can't exceed your available cash balance, which excludes unsettled funds from recent trades. Once you've entered the amount, double-check all the details to ensure everything is accurate. Step 5. The waiting game, sort of. With everything confirmed, you can initiate the transfer. Here's where things get interesting. Robinhood offers two transfer speeds, standard and instant. Standard transfers, these are free of charge and typically take 3 to 5 business days for the money to appear in your bank account. It's a good option if you're not in a rush and want to save some money. Instant transfers, for those who need the cash ASAP, Robinhood offers instant transfers. However, there's a catch, a small fee is associated with this option. The exact fee will depend on the transfer amount, but it's usually a fraction of a percentage. Important considerations. Now, before you go on a transferring frenzy, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Selling first, you can't directly transfer stocks or crypto from Robinhood to your bank. You'll need to sell those holdings first and then transfer the resulting cash. Settlement time, remember, trades take time to settle. So, if you just sold some stock, the funds won't be immediately available for transfer. You'll typically need to wait a day or two for the settlement to complete before initiating a transfer. Transferring money from Robinhood to your bank is a simple process, but hopefully, this video has shed some light on the different options available and the factors to consider when making a transfer. Remember, standard transfers are free but take a few days, while instant transfers come with a small fee but get you the money much faster. So, the choice ultimately depends on your needs and how quickly you require the cash. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy investing.